Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video is going to be a little bit different. We are not doing a business video, how to grow and excel your business. We are not doing a beauty video. We are doing a video talking about manifestation and how I manifested the life that I currently live. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be more of a sit down and talk with me type of videos. In the comments below, feel free to let me know if you guys want more of these videos, and if just let me know which subjects you guys would like me to touch, because I love doing any type of videos for you guys. I love helping you guys. That's my whole entire life goal, is to inspire and help other people on their journeys to become entrepreneurs and girl bosses. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I manifested the life that I currently live. Oh, my eyelashes being annoying. You guys follow me on Instagram and you watch my stories. If you don't, then make sure you do, because I update a lot on Instagram, and you guys can see more of the type of life that I live on my Instagram stories. So yeah, I would say that I have an amazing life. I'm a super happy person. If there's something I want, I get it. And I'm happy to say that I'm able to afford that. I'm happy to say that I'm able to live the lifestyle that I currently live. And I just want to let you guys know that it is achievable. You guys have to understand, I was not born into wealth, and nothing was handed out to me. I'm literally from New York City. I'm from Queens, if you guys did not know that. So I grew up in low-income neighborhoods. So I grew up in low-income neighborhoods. So I'm probably just like everybody else. The thing is that I am a very determined person. I am very motivated, and I would say the number one thing to manifesting is not about magic and affirmations. Yes, that stuff does add to your manifesting, but it's more about your mindset. Stop. So now that I have your attention, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and become a part of the notification gang. I promise you guys will never be let down on the content that I give you guys, because I am all for everyone winning. We live in a huge world, and I feel like everybody is able to eat. So definitely subscribe to my channel. You will not want to miss the content that I drop. Back into the program. So to be a successful entrepreneur, to actually be successful at it, anybody can be an entrepreneur. Anybody can say they're an entrepreneur, but to be successful and actually generate income and be able to live the life that you want to live, that is success. So in able to do that, you have to have the right mind frame. You have to have the ability to stay focused. You have to have the ability to know where you want to go in life, because if you don't know where you're going, how are you going to get there? You're not going to have any type of direction. As my husband always says, it's like having a GPS. You have to know where you're going, because how the heck are you going to get there? So as an entrepreneur, you're always going to have days where you get discouraged and you don't feel like getting out the bed. You don't feel like doing this. You feel very overwhelmed because you're doing so many things at one time, and you're honestly just one person. I'm telling you guys, I feel this way all the time because I am a mom of 3 and I have so many hot side hustles and things that I need to get done. But some days I do get discouraged. But then I remember my mission. I remember why I'm doing everything. And that's how I'm always to get back. That's how I'm always able to get back on track and stay focused. You have to have the mindset for that. So you have to be able to stay focused. You have to know where you're going. So these are 2 important things when you are manifesting and working towards manifesting your dreams. So the third thing I'm going to touch about manifesting the life that I live now is going to be proper planning. Proper planning prevents poor production. So you have to properly plan everything. Whether you're a YouTuber and you're creating content, or you're just creating content on TikTok, you have to plan everything. If it's your business and you're doing launching and you're adding new products, you have to plan everything. You always have to properly plan. That is going to be my third tip on manifesting. My fourth tip is going to have to be cutting out television and any other type of distractions. If you're not being productive and looking for ways to make money and getting yourself out there, advertising for your business, marketing for your business, creating content for your business, as an entrepreneur, there's always work to do. So if you're not doing that, if your day is not done at work, then there's no reason for you to be sitting down watching TV. Like, you're not winning yet. You need to be focused on building your business or creating content. Like I said, there's always something to do. So that's why I say to cut out television altogether. I do watch TV with my 14-year-old daughter. That's our bonding time, but it's only on the weekend when I have my days off, which is Saturday and Sunday. Here I am on Sunday creating content for you guys. So it's never really a day off. The fifth thing I am going to touch on manifesting your dreams is actually going to be affirmations. This is probably the thing that you guys are looking for the most, because I feel like when it comes to manifesting, people look to it as if it's magic and it just will like magically appear. That's not what manifestation is. You have to be in line with your life goals. You have to be in line with what you're trying to manifest. You can't try to manifest a new job, but you're not putting out applications. You can't try to manifest thousands of dollars, but you're not working for it. That's not how manifestation works. It's not magic. Manifestation is you being in alignment with the things that you want. It's just not magic. But I just want to add that I do affirmations. I do morning affirmations. If you guys are interested, I'll link my morning affirmations video for you guys. I actually made the video for myself so that I'm able to go back and replay it and listen to it. But I do find that a lot of people actually use this video. So I definitely recommend it to you guys if you need the right affirmations for a female entrepreneur, or just if you're a male, any entrepreneur, these affirmations are literally perfect. That's why I made that video. So affirmations do help, but you just have to remember to have the belief in them working, and also you have to have the motivation, the drive. You have to be moving forward to achieving what you're trying to manifest. It's not magic. That is going to be the way I manifest everything that I have, you guys. Right now I'm sitting in my recording room, which is a huge basement, and I literally just use it for recording. I'm looking out the window and I'm looking at my land of 6 acres of land, and I'm just happy, guys. And I don't really show off what I have because I'm very humble. I know humble people don't say they're humble, but I am a very humbled person. Like, I don't go around flashing money or flashing anything that I have because I just feel like I don't have the need to do that, but I am. And like, my life is an amazing life. A lot of people would kill to have the life that I live, the stuff that I have, the family I have. So yes, I am huge on I am huge on manifesting, and I believe that I manifested the life that I have now. So I hope that you guys can take these few tips and use them in your day-to-day life to manifest the lives and the dreams that you guys want to have. Again, you must always work forward, and just don't rely on saying manifestations every morning. You actually have to work for it. You have to work hard for it. As an entrepreneur, you're actually working harder than you would be if you're having a 9-to-5 job. So you have to have that drive. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.